Hello guys, my name is Edward Amwako, and in today's lesson I'm going to walk you through on how to design this very beautiful and simple flyer. Today being the first day, that is why we are starting with a very simple flyer, and then we will take it from there. So in less than few minutes, please pay attention to every detail of this flyer and try to design the same thing for your own good. So without wasting my time, let's start. So first, let's go to file. If you are here in Photoshop, all you need to do is to go to file or come to create new. So I've taught you how to create a new document. We are using the pixels unit to make sure that your unit is set to pixels 1080. We are using the resolution to be 300, and then the color mode we are setting it to RGB. So whenever any other thing is okay, create. And then the next thing is to activate your rulers. So come to view and then go to your rulers. The short form is Ctrl R on the keyboard. That's the shortcut. Now the rulers, you can also click on the ruler here and set it to percent. My own is on percent. So let's bring in the rulers, because the rulers are going to help us a lot. So this is okay for me. Bring this to here and bring this one to here. Very simple. And as you can see, Photoshop uses layers a lot, so we are going to create a background for this particular design. We are adding an adjustment layer over here. Click on the adjustment layer, add a solid color, and the solid color that we are using is a bit green. Let me play along with it. So I think this is okay for me. So you can use the number 158115. So when you are okay, click OK. Go to your resources. You are bringing in this background. I'll give it all the resources to you. Drag it and bring it into Photoshop, and make sure that you expand it to fill the whole background. Double click to accept. Go to the blending option here where it is written normal. Click on it and set it to multiply, and reduce the opacity to, let's say, 20. So when I'm done, I'm going to do some one or two things to it. So come to filter. We are learning, so please just do the same thing. Filter and look for noise, and then add noise. And the noise that we are going to add, make sure the amount is 22.04. Go ahead and click on OK. If you want to add more to it, that's fine. You can even type in 25 if it is okay for you. Click OK and click on the same layer that you added the noise, and right click. Then this time around we are going to create clipping mask. I have explained clipping mask in the introduction video. And group these two layers and press on Ctrl J to group, and you can name it background, or let's name it as background, and then lock the background so that it will not disturb us when moving. And the next thing that we are going to do is to add your text straight up, or better still, let's bring in the image. Go to your resources, bring in this particular image, drop it to Photoshop, double click to accept, go and select your text tool. Then the font that we are using is Bebas. Set it to 60 and let's start to type. Don't worry, we are going to change the font. Bring it here. Let's change the font to Bebas. Then let's pick bold, and we are going to increase font, very big one, and then bring it down. Double click to accept. Let's highlight the day and come to the AA here. These are, make sure that anytime you are dealing with text, your character should be set up. So we are going to increase this. Just bring it here somewhere. Yeah, we are going to close it. All right, so let's select the Monday and then increase the size. Very good. And make sure that the auto is set to auto. Okay, so let's close it up and then double click this. Let's highlight it. We just want the day and then the month to be in line, so please take your time and do the same thing. So we are going to close it up. I think this is okay. Let me zoom in so that you have a look at it. So this is what you're supposed to have. So once you are done, you are going to duplicate this particular layer. So Ctrl J to duplicate, and bring the first one down the image, and the top one, the Monday, set the fill to 0. So you have something like this. Go to your FX of the same layer, we're going to add stroke to it. There are so many ways of doing this particular magic, but for the sake of our beginners, that is why I'm going by this. I will teach you another way of doing it. So select the stroke, make sure the stroke size is 1. The layer style, we want the stroke, make sure it is ticked, and then the stroke is 1. The color, you can change it, but we want the color to be white. It is okay. Click OK, and you can just group the Monday, the image icon, all the two, and then group them and lock it. Then let's go down, and what I have to do is that, you see, this particular design is just for companies. You can also start designing your own flyers for Monday, Tuesday, any other day, and just add some codes. This helps you to be creative enough. Okay, once you start sharing on your status, people will believe you that yes, you've learned it, or you are now a graphic designer. So we are going to add a quote to this particular day. So I came to ChatGPT, and then I typed a simple quote of motivation to start your week on Monday. So I just typed it, so the ChatGPT will give me a quote. So I'll come and copy this particular quote from Ataashi, copy it, come back to Photoshop, and now bring in my text. And the text that I'm going to use, make sure this is set to auto. I'm going to use Monstrat, which I'm going to give it to you, and I'll set my typeface to medium, and then paste this. Set the size to 10 or 6, or you can pick 7 if it's that's fine, and then you can paste your codes. So I'll highlight it and then align it. So how do you highlight it? You select it, press on Ctrl A, and then set the alignment at the center. If you're okay, press this. Now come and select your move tool. Without the move tool, you will be suffering a lot, so the move tool should be your friend. Bring it somewhere here. The size is too big, so I'll reduce it. I think this will be okay for me. Double click to accept, and we are going to add our contact details. Now, alignment in designing is very, very important. So select your data down like this, and then let me try to align the text. Okay, so this is okay for me. I like it this way. Or you can bring the U down a bit. So yeah, this is okay. Once you are done, come down here and then come and select a rectangular tool. Make sure your fill color is white, and draw a rectangle. This, you are going to add your Instagram details on this one. Okay, once you're okay, make sure that it is aligned, okay, to the text over here. Select your move tool, Ctrl A to select the rectangle and align it at the center, and bring it down. And what we are going to do is that we don't need these properties again. Click it, bring this rectangle down, select the start, and then press on Ctrl J to copy. Bring it on top of the rectangle and change the color to black. Press OK, and here you are going to add your Instagram handle. Please do not use my own, @Edward_Amwakon. If you don't have Instagram, please, you can use your number so that I will know that it is you that did it. So select the 9 is too big, so I'll pick 8, change this to semi-bold, and then copy this. And I'm going to give you this particular font. We call it social media font. Okay, I'm going to give you this particular media font social media. Select it. Let's zoom in, and then we are going to use, this is C. So when you use the letter C, the C is for Instagram. You can explore more if you want to, yeah. And then I'll align, select the Instagram handle, select the Instagram icon, press on this alignment at the vertical side. Let me bring it closer, select the 2, and then check the alignment. Okay, so let me bring it somewhere. I think this is okay. Select the rectangle, group it, and then align it by pressing on Ctrl A, and then align it over here, so everything is aligned. Perfect. Then I'll bring my text down a bit. Okay, then I'll double click. I'm going to highlight or increase this to bold or semi-bold, or you can pick bold, so that you are focusing more on the quotes, and that is very, very important. Okay, let's bring it down.
Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to copy this code, Control O, 0 to zoom out, and Control J, bring it up here, double click it. I'm going to bring hello, and I'm going to give you this font called Auto. So come to your character and search for Auto. I'm also going to give you the font. Increase the size to 16, bring it here, and then with the Auto I want the medium one, and change the color to yellow. I've taught you how to change colors of a font. Okay, so I think this is beautiful. Bring it somewhere down, and the last thing that we are going to do is to unlock our image. Open the group, hide this first one, and come and copy this particular Monday. Ctrl J, and press on Ctrl T, right click it. Please pay attention a very lot. Make sure when you open the group you hide the Monday, the first one, the one on top of the image. Okay, and come the one down the image, and okay, so this one. Okay, press on Ctrl J to copy, and press on Ctrl T to bring the transformation change. Right click it and then flip vertical. So we're going to bring in like this, bring it down a bit, so we're going to have something like this. Okay, so bring it closer. Okay, so what we are going to do is to create something like a shadow for the Monday. Click enter to accept. Come to the layer side, right click it, rasterize. Rasterize means that it gives you the access to edit the text. Then go and select your eraser tool, select it, and come to the settings, which is the option bar here. If your option bar is not showing, come to Windows and then look for option, and you can see the option here. Alright, now once you click on this particular circle, if your own is not showing, come to the general brush, open the folder, select soft, close it, make sure the hardness is 0, and your size is 800. My own is 800. You can set your own to 800. Click here and come and let's zoom out, and you can just brush. I'm going to brush some out to fade, so we are creating something like a shadow, or kind of. Come and select your move tool, Control plus to zoom in, and we are going to reduce the fill color a bit to, let's say, 40, to a reasonable number. Okay, so I think 40 is okay. So we are going to have it something like this. We are bringing in the beauty, and then the one that you hide, bring it out. So now you can, let's select the Hello Monday, and then let's expand it. Control minus to zoom out, and bring this down a bit. Yes, and then let's align it. So if you, by mistake you do something like this, do not worry, just come and click on this and it will bring it back. So Control A, we're going to align. No, we don't want to align the hello, we want to only align the Monday and then the image at the center. So it is already aligned. Control 0 to have it this way, and this is beautiful. So this is a very simple design code for, we can add more magic to it. Let me go to the background, open it, and click on my background. You can double click to change the color if you want. You can just play along with the colors. So you see, I think this is also something beautiful, depending on how you want it. Okay, you can go to blue color, any color, just play along with the colors. Okay, so your colors are very, very important, but for now I want to maintain the green color posture. Okay, when I'm okay with it, press OK, and now I can go ahead and save my work. Come to file, you see it is beautiful. Come to file here, go to export, or you can use the save a copy. Once this pops up, change the type to JPEG. This one, JPEG, JPEY. This one, please pay attention. Pick it, and then you select where you want to save it. But for now, we want to save it at desktop. So let's save it. And once this pops up, please make sure that your format is baseline standard. Set the quality to 12. And then there we go. Let's go back to our desktop to see what we just did. So that's it. Let's open it, and that is it. So you can just please make sure that you put in your social media handles. If you don't have one, you can just use your telephone number and start posting this on your status. Write something, okay, and this will help you every day to come out creativity, okay, to bring out your creativity. Please, this is for beginners, and as time goes on, you'll be learning so many things in this graphic design class. So please stay tuned, and let me see you in the next video. Bye.